So you're thinking about making a move right here to Lavon, Texas. Yes, I said Lavon, Texas, one of the best up and coming cities out here. And it is absolutely incredible what we have to show you here today. This neighborhood is called Lavon. It is going to be one of the nicest neighborhoods around. It's going to be absolutely massive. You're going to have multiple amenity centers, fitness centers, multiple pools, catch and release ponds all across. You're going to have fitness centers throughout, parks, dog walking trails, you name it. It's going to have it here in Lavon. And this community is absolutely incredible. Amazing builders. And one of the most exciting things is they don't have tiny lots out here. We've got 60 to 70 foot lots and up to 4-car garage options. Now, the price point of these beautiful K Hov homes are gonna start at the high 4s to the high 5s as far as the starting prices go. And you have multiple different elevations to choose from. This one right behind us is called the Frankfurt floor plan. This is the farmhouse elevation starting at 515 and it is absolutely gorgeous. 4-bed, 2.5 bath, and just under 3,000 square feet. These are some of the nicest homes at great price points. If this same home was over in Frisco, Prosper, McKinney, you're gonna be looking at $750,000 to $850,000 for the same home. So let's go ahead and check out this amazing property. Welcome to this beautiful Frankfurt floor plan by K Hov Homes out here in Lavon. This is going to be one of my newest favorite products that I have personally seen. We know that farmhouse is all the rage. We've got many different elevations to choose from, but I think the farmhouse style is really going to be a hit. So I want you to see right when you walk into the house, you're going to have this nice, beautiful long entryway that's nice and wide, giving it a nice elegant feel. We've got personal touches every single place you look, and it is absolutely incredible. But we're gonna start off in the front wing of the house, which is a very unique floor plan because usually you're gonna have the office right here in the front, but not with this one. You're gonna have 3 separated bedrooms, a flex space, and a nice full bathroom with double sinks. So we're gonna start out in this first bedroom over here. So we've got a nice sized bedroom, oversized windows over here, nice sliding door closet, so you don't have to worry about the closet doors taking up additional space, but tons of natural light in here, absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, this is all tucked away. So if you have multiple kids or people visiting, they're gonna have their own little wing of the house. So we'll walk into the next bedroom over here, which they've turned into a beautiful nursery right here. So plenty of space, but a nice layout. Once again, I want to show you what these little sliding closet doors. So once again, they don't take up much space. A nice little style feature as well that you don't see very often. Now I want to take you into the bathroom that these bedrooms are going to be sharing. So you've got a double sink here, full tub shower combo as well. So plenty of space for the kids over here. And one of my favorite features is this nice little flex space. So if you wanted to hang up a TV, do whatever you wanted in here, this is gonna be a nice place for the kids to just throw their toys out and nobody that comes and visits is gonna have to come and look at it. So you can hide everything away and keep all the noise out. Now this is gonna be the biggest, I believe, of the bedrooms we just looked at. So this is the 3rd bedroom right at the front of the house, tucked away in your own corner. Once again, nice views. We've got trees all over this neighborhood. It is gonna be a gorgeous neighborhood and a nice, beautiful layout for this floor plan. So we'll continue back through the main entry of the home. So we've just seen 3 bedrooms, a flex space, as well as a bathroom right off the start. So right off to the right, you're gonna have your mud bench as well as your laundry space, which they have a printer and stuff in there right now, but you're gonna have a nice sized laundry room. This is gonna be your entrance from your garage. And if you didn't hear me when I did my intro, yes, you can have 4-car garages out here. That is unheard of out here in the DFW Metroplex. So right here, this is gonna be your beautiful office space, media room, flex space, whatever you wanna make it. They've made it into a beautiful office. It's got plenty of room for an office as well as a sitting area. No windows in here. That's why I said you can definitely make it into a media room as well. And they've used these nice modern farmhouse doors to give it a nice personal touch. And then you've got your nice little half bath for the guests to use right towards the middle of the house. All right, if you like what you're seeing and you have any thoughts of moving to the Dallas-Fort Worth area from tomorrow or a year from now, please don't be shy. Give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and I'd love to help you and your family make a smooth move to Dallas. Now we're gonna move into my favorite part of the house. This is where it really opens up. This is absolutely stunning when you walk on here. I'm not sure the camera can give you the full detail of what this feels like in here, but this is gonna be a nice long cathedral ceiling, beautiful layout right in here. We've got a massive kitchen. This is a kitchen that I've seen in $1 million+ homes. This feels like a very high-end custom kitchen. I love the countertops. You've got beautiful oak, it looks like oak cabinetry in here, but you've got counter space all over the place in here. Nice modern farmhouse sink with this beautiful oversized window. You've got a nice little window up top as well, so bringing in tons of natural light. But there is more counter space that you know what to do with in here. And this really, really cool oversized island. So we've got a squared off island with seating for 5 people all the way around, as well as additional cabinet space. High-end appliances as well are gonna come with this home. We've got a high-end Vent-A-Hood, gas, which is absolutely massive if you love to cook. But one of my favorite kitchens, especially at this price point, like I said, I've shown homes all over the place that cost twice as much as this that don't have kitchens like this one. If you want a double oven, I'm sure that's an option for you as well. So with this particular layout, this may not be everybody's favorite thing, but you're gonna have the kitchen table right here in the center instead of tucked away in a corner. So it's gonna be nice, long cathedral. It feels like almost like a modern, like old church. We've got these beautiful beams throughout that add a really great touch. And this is gonna look into your living room space. So once again, windows all throughout. We got the cool circular windows on this side, as well as the top of that side. A nice, modern, classic looking fireplace that is gonna be gas. You just flip a switch and you've got it made with your glass sliding doors over there as well. But I want you to be able to kind of feel what it looks like in here and how big this living room area is. So I want to show you this nice modern or very cool archway as well. Just another personal touch in here, but this is an entertainer's paradise in here. It is absolutely stunning. Just take one more look of this kitchen. If you love to entertain, you like to show off your house, this is the kitchen to do it in. Now we're going to head into the primary master bedroom over here in the back corner of the house. So we've got nice elevated ceilings, nice tray ceilings to give it a little bit extra height. And these 3 beautiful windows right here in the back, but a nice large bedroom. We've got a huge king size bed in here, oversized furniture and plenty of space in here, but a beautiful layout, secluded in the back corner of the house near your kitchen space. But before we enter into the master bathroom, I want you to see this really cool tucked away sliding door right here. And check out this awesome bathroom. So you've got separated vanities. You've got a beautiful oversized window over here. And check out this amazing tub. It's very different than what you usually see. Usually these are gonna be tucked up against the wall, but they've got this nice little separation of space right here. This is all the way into the ground. Really cool little features like you would see in a very, very expensive home. And an awesome, awesome glass shower over here as well with your bench seating. So after a long day, you turn on the rain shower, your day is going to be good no matter what. So absolutely awesome feature in this house. Beautiful modern farmhouse feel. Everybody loves the modern farmhouse nowadays. I know I do. And this is one of my favorite bathrooms that I've seen, as well as kitchen spaces. And now we're gonna enter into the master closet, which is a nice size. It tucks around into the corner over here and into the corner over here. And if you wanted to put an additional rack up top, you'd have additional space to do so. All farmhouse. We're walking out these beautiful oversized glass sliding doors that you can absolutely open this whole place up because you've got these screens right here to keep the bugs out. So really cool feature of this house. And then you got an oversized patio space that is absolutely beautiful. Plenty of room to put an outdoor kitchen, whatever you want. You've got the gas hookup out here, so you never run out of gas, which is a huge feature, and a place to hang your TV as well. But like I said, oversized yard, 60 to 70 foot lots with up to 4-car garages. If you find a neighborhood in DFW that has 4-car garages, it is very, very rare. But this is one of the most exciting neighborhoods that I've seen in quite some time. You may not have known about Lavon or looked into Lavon, but you need to now. We're right next to Rockwall, and there are so many great things coming out here, and this neighborhood is gonna be absolutely amazing. Like I said, every amenity you could possibly imagine for sports, fishing, you name it, it's gonna have it in this community. And if you have a growing family, this is gonna be one of the best places to be at an affordable price point. So I hope you enjoyed today's tour of this video. Like I said, if you're looking to move to Dallas now or a year from now, please don't be shy, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I would love to help you and your family make a smooth move to Dallas. Hope to see you around town.